So how do you make a deep dish pizza on a campfire when you don't have a lid for your cast iron? Well, it's just a few simple steps. First, I found a semi-flat rock, not too thick, and one that came from above ground. This big old stone. Okay, so this rock is going to be our cast iron lid. And so I'm going to be building that fire on top of that stone, which will allow the heat to radiate through that rock and bake that pizza from the top down. Or at least that's the theory. If I were to throw that cast iron just right on the coals or right on the fire, it would be heating that pan up from the bottom up, and it would pretty much just burn the crust. And nobody likes burnt crust. Alright, so after slicing and grilling some peppers up, I let that pizza bake for about 40 minutes. Perfect time for that fire to die down. It's time for the grand reveal. Figure my next step, pull this rock off and just let it cook over the fire now, just for a little bit. Oh, that's nice. So at this point, it's time to build the fire around the pan and around the base of that heated rock. I still definitely don't want that pan in direct flame because, again, I don't want the bottom to burn. Then I got this great idea to put this split log on top and bank down the heat. On second thought, I really don't know if this did anything at all. There it is. Okay, so after 10 minutes of cooking in the flames, the pizza looked perfect. But this was the moment of truth after all, and I was terrified of the bottom being absolutely burned. Okay, so check out the bottom of this deep dish, perfectly golden brown. So if you want the algorithm to feed you more pizza, more camping content like this, then like and subscribe on my new channel and have weekly camping tips and tricks. Enjoy.